Hi friends, today we will discuss what is IP address and how to find IP address assigned to our machine. IP address, what is IP address? In the world of internet, every machine which is connected to the internet has its own address so that the packets, IP packets can reach to those machines. So to define the address for every kind of machine which is connected to internet, there is an address called IP address which is given to every machine. Uh, like your letter. When you post some letter, you used to put some address over the letter and give it to the post office. The post office works like an internet and finds the address of the destination uh, and delivers the letter to the destination address. The same way IP address over the machine works. So if one machine is sending a packet, IP packet over internet to another machine, the internet would help deliver the IP address to the second machine through the IP address given over the machine. So IP address is basically an identification of a machine in the internet world. Let us see, if suppose you have a Windows operating system and you have been told to find the IP address of your machine, how you will find the IP address? Let's see. So this is a Windows 10 machine. What we have to do is we have to click run, then CMD. We will get a command prompt. Over this command prompt, we have to type the command ipconfig. See, it gives a lot of IP addresses. Why there are more than one IP address? So let us run the command again and view all the output step by step. So this is the first part. There is an Ethernet adapter over the machine, means the LAN card. The LAN card is not connected to any wire, so it is showing media disconnected. Okay. The second thing is another Ethernet adapter, 2 and normal Ethernet. So 2 Ethernet adapters are not connected to any wire. The third is the virtual host network. This is for virtual machine. So this IP address is for a virtual machine which is inside my laptop. The third is the LAN adapter of local area network, and another is the LAN adapter for local area network 2. These are the wireless LANs which are not connected. My laptop is currently connected through Wi-Fi. So we can see the Ethernet wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi is showing an IP address 192.168.43.9 and subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and the gateway. These three things are important to reach any destination over the internet. Without any of these, you cannot post a packet to the destination machine over internet. Like Wi-Fi, there is another VMware network address adapter, and another is for VNet 1 as VNet 8. These are all related to virtual machine. So for simplicity, we will ignore all these and we will concentrate on wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, which everybody I think knows, and I think in almost all the domestic users are using Wi-Fi nowadays. So this is our IP address. Without this IP address, you cannot reach the destination machine. And there is also an address for Bluetooth network connection. Without address you cannot even reach the Bluetooth network connection, and I have disconnected the Bluetooth, so it is showing media disconnected. Hope this tutorial will be this tutorial would be nice to for your understanding. If there is any scope of improvement, please let me know. This is my first video tutorial. Thanks.